If you're looking to improve the mobility of your lower body, in particular your inner thighs, this Kozak squat exercise will do exactly that. Now, the reason I do dumbbell shoulder press with such a deep range of motion is to improve the overall mobility through my shoulder joint. This is mainly to reduce pain in that area. Place one toe up on a slant board and allow yourself to do full range of motion Jefferson curls to improve the flexibility of your lower back one side at a time. One way you can make a lat pull down more difficult is by acting like there's more weight on the bar. I don't have a lot of weight at my home gym, so I have to do that and do very slow, long reps. This core exercise will work almost every single muscle in your body. When you're first starting this, just try to bring your knees up as high as you can and hold. Posture is something I always try to work on for myself, and this Y-raise exercise will help to do exactly that with extra leg work on the Roman chair. If you have painful ankles, start doing very slow and controlled full range of motion calf raises on a slant board. If you can't reach up overhead very easily, it's likely your rotator cuff muscles are very weak. Try doing this exercise, keeping your elbows nice and close the entire time. If you only do calf raises at the gym, you're making a big mistake, because this exercise, the tibialis raise, will work the front of your shin, so you have balance in the front and back of your lower leg muscles. I tweaked my ankle the other day skating, and what I did to help rehab it just a little bit is this simple dumbbell sprained ankle rehab exercise.